Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you're doing well. I am Anail. Most of you must a lot be concerned about your health and fitness. To stay fit, many of us exercise often and even daily. Friends and family prove to be a great support and motivation in this case. However, just exercise is not enough. Taking good care of our diet is equally important. In this video, I am going to tell you guys about 10 extremely healthy food for both health and weight loss. Number 1. Whole eggs. Eggs are a low-calorie food rich in protein and other nutrients. Research suggests that eggs boost metabolic activity and increase feelings of fullness. To promote weight loss, avoid preparing eggs by adding too much fat from butter or oil, for example. Number 9. Vegetables. Eating vegetables provides health benefits. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. None have cholesterol. Vegetables are important sources of many nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, folic acid, vitamin A, and vitamin C. So, don't forget to add vegetables in your diet. Number 8. Fish. Fish is a low-fat, high-quality protein. Fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2. It's rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. It's recommended eating fish at least 2 times per week as a part of healthy diet. Number 7. Boiled potatoes. Potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants which make them very healthy. Studies have linked potatoes and their nutrients to a variety of impressive health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, reduced heart disease risk, and higher immunity. Potatoes are also quite filling, which means they may help you lose weight by curbing hunger pains and cravings. Number 6. Beans. Beans are commonly eaten around the world and are a rich source of fiber and B vitamins. They're excellent sources of dietary fiber, protein, B vitamins, and many other important vitamins and minerals. There's good evidence that it can help reduce blood sugar, improve cholesterol levels, and help maintain a healthy gut. Not only that, but eating more beans as a source of protein instead of meat is also environmentally friendly. Number 5. Soups. You can start your meal with soup to soften and warm your stomach. Soups contain a high quantity of water that nourishes your body cells and keeps your skin fresh. Soup is a natural and healthy option that can be prepared in various ways with vegetables, meat, chicken, or even rice. Some soups high in fiber, such as vegetable soup, helps keep your digestive system healthy and prevent bloating and constipation. 4. Avocados. Avocados have a unique nutrition profile. They contain lots of fiber and are rich in vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, vitamin K, potassium, copper, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Research has linked eating avocados with various health benefits such as a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it may offer healthful benefits such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. Number 2. Nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are not as fattening as you would expect. They're an excellent snack containing balanced amount of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Studies have shown that eating nuts can improve metabolic health and even promote weight loss. What's more, population studies have shown that people who eat nuts tend to be more healthier and leaner than those who don't. Number 1. Fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, and they are high in fiber. Fruits also provide a wide range of health-boosting antioxidants. Eating a diet high in fruits and vegetables can reduce a person's risk of developing heart disease, cancer, inflammation, and diabetes. Citrus fruits and berries may be especially powerful for preventing disease. According to a study, lemons are the best fruit to eat, followed by strawberry, orange, lime, and pink and red grapefruit. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, as well as check out my other videos too. And guys, don't forget to exercise with your healthy diet so that you remain healthy and fit and watch our videos.